Cuckoo hashing, a clever algorithm that guarantees constant time lookups. Traditional hash tables suffer from collisions. When two keys hash to the same slot, we need chains or probing, which can degrade to O, N in the worst case. Cuckoo hashing solves this elegantly. It uses two hash tables, each with its own hash function. Every key has exactly two possible locations, one in each table. Let's insert key X first. We compute H1 of X, which gives a slot 1 in table 1. The slot is empty, so we simply place X there. Now let's insert key Y. H1 of Y also maps to slot 1, but X is already there. This is where the cuckoo behavior kicks in. Y kicks X out of its nest. X must now find a new home using its alternate hash function H2, which maps to slot 2 in table 2. This is named after the cuckoo bird, which pushes other birds' eggs out of the nest to make room for its own. Each insertion may trigger a chain of displacements. But what if we get stuck in a cycle? If the displacement chain loops back, we detect this and rehash both tables with new hash functions. Lookups are beautifully simple. Check H1 of the key in table 1, then H2 in table 2. At most 2 memory accesses, guaranteed O1 time. Let's analyze the complexity. Lookups and deletions are always O1. Insertions are O1 amortized with rare rehashing operations. In practice, cuckoo hashing works best with a load factor below 50%. Higher loads increase cycle probability and rehashing frequency. Cuckoo hashing shines in network routers for fast packet classification, in databases for hash joins, and in hardware implementations where predictable latency matters. To summarize, cuckoo hashing uses 2 tables and 2 hash functions. It kicks out existing keys to make room like a cuckoo bird. This guarantees O1 worst-case lookups. That's cuckoo hashing, an elegant solution for guaranteed constant-time dictionary operations.